introduction. Tonight, I am really wanting to share to you the benefits of our Atomy Evening Care 4 set. This is the first step of cleansing. So, what's included in the set? We have a foam cleanser, which is 150 ml, deep cleanser, 150 ml, peeling gel, 120 ml, and peel off mask, which is 120 ml. Okay. So it has a four-step, as I've said, and as you can see on my screen, this is the step-by-step procedure, which after my presentation, I will be showing you how to use our evening care set. I have them available with me here by my side. So, okay, so let us go over the yes, one by one procedure of the product evening care set. And I would also discuss to you what are the ingredients and why is it good for your skin. So the first step is what we call the deep cleanser. What it actually does, as you can see on my screen, it removes your makeup and sebum. It cleanses the pores and it also keeps the skin clean, a double effect of cleansing and nourishing. And what is inside? Of course, most of women right now, as how do you say, as I noticed after COVID, we are really very keen on knowing what are the ingredients of the products that we're using. So let's take a deeper look at what is inside our deep cleanser. So first is it has a ginseng and ginkgo biloba extract. This is known for their energizing and anti-aging properties. So you see, just the first step, it already has an anti-aging property. So these powerful botanicals help firm the skin, revitalize tired complexions, and promote better circulation. Perfect for refreshing your face after a long day. So next one, we have the green tea extract. It works to even out the skin tone and keep pores clear. So when I started doing the Atomy business, when I started using the products, one of my main problem is the discoloration of my skin. Because before, when I started using Atomy skincare, my forehead is darker than my cheek. Okay, so I don't know, but I've seen a lot of people with the same issue. And if you have the same issue, this is the perfect product to use for you. Okay, so it's rich in antioxidants, which protect the skin from environmental damage and reduce dullness. Think of it as a gentle detox that leaves your skin looking calm, clean, and bright. Our deep cleanser also has a carrot extract and vitamin E. It provides deep nourishment and hydration. They don't just cleanse, they moisturize and protect your skin barrier, leaving it soft, glossy, and healthy looking after each use. And next one, our second step, which is the foam cleanser. So as you can see here, yeah, this is our foam cleanser and it cleanses the skin of all makeup and dirt. The foam is able to reach deep into our pores to ensure all dirt is washed away. It leaves you with baby soft, clean skin. So basically, after our customers has tried foam cleanser, they and after they have dried their skin, they often say like, wow, my skin is smoother and it looks brighter. So it has a very immediate effects. Okay. And let us talk about what are the ingredients of the foam cleanser. So the first one is it has I'm sorry for my pronunciation, but you can actually read it onto your screen. So we have the trichloroacetic acid. So this ingredient is what makes the foam cleanser so effective. All right, so it gently removes dead skin cells, revealing newer, smoother layers underneath. It also has an antibacterial effect, which helps keep pores clear and reduces breakout. So perfect for maintaining fresh, healthy skin every day. So if you are experiencing an acne-prone skin, this product is a must try for you. And it also has a beta-glucan moisturizing agent, which deeply hydrates your skin. It soothes and it also has anti-aging properties. It calms irritation, firms the skin, and helps plump fine lines and wrinkles, giving you the soft, supple glow. This means cleansing doesn't have to dry your skin, it can hydrate at the same time. So if you're watching with me on Facebook until the end of my life, I'm going to be asking you because at the end of my life, I'm going to give one special prize to our viewer who will be, listening to us until the end. So we're going to see who will be listening until the end because we will choose one person, okay? And I'm gonna give you a free facial, a free relaxing facial into my salon here in Overijse in Belgium. So please stay until the end, okay? So that maybe you will have, you know, free facial from yours truly. And my facial is one of my best seller and best service in my salon. So the step three, okay. Step three is the peeling gel. What it actually does is it removes dead skin and helps the skin to absorb nutrients. So it smooths out and brightens your skin, removes dead skin cells, and products can now be absorbed by a new layer of skin. So later on, when I do the demonstration of our products, I will actually show you. Oh, I'm quite shy right now because probably I have, a lot of kilos of dead skin onto my skin. But I will be showing you how to use this product later on. So then you can also test it for yourself once you have your evening care set at home. So now let us take a deeper look onto what are the ingredients of this amazing product. So first, it has a willow bark extract. This is actually the star ingredient of our peeling gel. This is a natural source of salicylic acid. So remember the term salicylic acid. Why? Because um, when we are experiencing acne or if we have acne prone skin, if you Google or if you search of the ingredient that will help us with our acne prone skin, it will tell you salicylic acid. So luckily, our peeling gel already has the salicylic acid, which helps remove dead skin cells gently without causing irritation. So keeping your skin youthful and fresh, it also helps you brighten your skin, giving you the instant glow effect after use. So after using our peeling gel, I will really literally show you that my skin will be brightened and it will actually look smoother. So by the way, what I have on my skin right now, I have sunscreen, but the sunscreen that I applied onto my skin was still from the afternoon. So I applied the Absolute Sun Essence. It also has a moisturizing components. So unlike harsh exfoliators, the Atomy Peeling Gel contains moisturizing ingredients that prevent dryness after peeling. This means your skin stays hydrated, soft and smooth instead of tight or flaky. A big win for all skin types, even if you have sensitive skin. And then lastly is the citrus grandis or what we call the grapefruit. It adds a refreshing boost. It helps calm the skin and protect it from environmental damage while giving you the clean, revitalized feeling. Plus, it smells wonderfully fresh, like a mini spa moment at home. So I really wish if you haven't tried this Atomy Evening Care Faucet, please do try it at home and experience a real spa at your own home. And lastly, our peel off mask. Okay, so this is the last step of our evening care cleansing. This gives the skin nutrients and firmness. Dirt is absorbed and removed from mask. It shrinks pores to minimize dirt from entering, and it also lifts our skin. So I love this product. And plus the smell, oh my gosh, you will really like it. Like if someone is next to you, he or she gonna ask you, what did you use to your skin? Because the smell is so addictive. It's so good, so refreshing, but it will not give you like a very intense smell. And what are inside the Atomy peel of mask? So what are its ingredients? First, it has a jade and amethyst powder. The magic begins with jade and amethyst powder. So these are the two precious minerals known for their ability to stimulate skin circulation and restore vitality. So this gentle energizing effect helps improve your skin tone and texture, giving it a healthy, radiant glow. It's like giving your skin a little spa massage right at your own home. And it also has a skin tightening and lifting effect, as I've said a while ago. As the mask dries, the pack composites contracts. This process help to tighten open pores. So if you are having like, bigger pores than normal, then I advise you to use our peel off mask, and it also lift our skin. When you peel it off, you'll instantly feel that firm, fresh sensation. Your skin looks more refined, smooth, and of course, rejuvenated. And lastly, it also has a great grapefruit peel extract that works to calm and protect the skin. It helps reduce sensitivity from environmental stress, leaving your complexion balanced and bright. These ingredients adds a refreshing touch while strengthening your skin's natural barrier. So everyone on Facebook who are listening or watching us tonight, have you tried our peel of mask already? If you can give me a thumbs up, that will be amazing, right? So, yeah, I can see some people giving a thumbs up. Thank you very much, everyone. And if you share our live, and if you, of course, stay until the end of this live, I have a special prize for you. I'm gonna be choosing one amazing listener or viewer for our relaxing facial at my salon here in Overijse, here in Belgium. All right. So, about the price of this product. So, you see, you will already have four products in one box, but the price is so economic. The price is only 37 euros. And in my own experience, I am using the whole set for approximately 2 months. You see, the price is very economical, yet you have an amazing ingredients inside these four amazing, magnifique, magnificent, tubes that I have here. Okay, so if you want to try it yourself, if you are curious in trying evening care faucet for the first time before you even purchase it online, I invite you to visit our Atomy Education Center. This is an official education center from Atomy Europe. It is located in Duisburg-Steenweg 149A here in Overijse, zip code 3090. The name of our center is A Beautiful Center Overijse. I will be so glad, I'll be so happy to assist you and show you and guide you how you will be able to use our products. Okay, so maybe enough of my talking, and now I will be sharing to you how to use our evening care for set. Okay, so who's watching with us, guys? Give me a heart. Heart, heart. Give me a thumbs up. Hi, Loredana. Thank you very much. Oh, I have a double heart and I have also a thumbs up. Thank you, Loredana. I will see you on Friday. Oh, don't mind if my underarm is wet, okay? Because it's hot here. I will just clip my hair because I don't want to have peel of mask onto my hair. So guys, don't mind me. I'm just really very very relaxed and presenting our our products. And yeah, I'm actually just wearing a t-shirt because I know later on I'm just gonna brush my teeth, I'm gonna change my clothes, and I'm gonna snooze, So I'm just gonna take my ring first. So the first one is our deep cleanser. Oh, oh, you don't see it, but I love the oriental flower on my hair. You see? It's an oriental flower. Okay, so the first one is the deep cleanser. How do you use this product? So you don't need to, to wash your face yet. All you need to do is to get an ample amount of the product, apply it onto your skin. So as I've said, it removes your makeup and the dirt or the extra sebum onto your skin. So as you can see, it's color white. You just have to massage it onto your skin. Okay. Toffee, are you still here on our live? Toffee, so this is how you will do the deep cleanser. So now it is white. Okay. You have to spread it by massaging it onto your skin until it turns to be oily, until you don't see the white anymore, or until you're satisfied in massaging onto your skin. So I would say massage your skin for like about a minute. Yay, Toffee. Hi, Toffee. So this is the deep cleanser. You just have to massage it onto your skin. Toffee, I have you don't see it because of my background, but I have an oriental flower. This is from Thailand. Sawadika, Toffee. Sawadika. Magandang gabi to all our Philippine viewers. Bunasera to all our Romanian viewers. Huyanavon to our Belgian viewers. And bonsoir to our French viewers. So yeah, so once you are already satisfied or once the deep cleanser turns into an oil, just a tip, you also have to do it onto your neck, but I don't want to do it now because I don't want to put it on my t-shirt. So all you need to do is to wipe it with cotton, okay? Or a warm towel, a bit wet, warm towel, or if you have cotton, simply wipe it with cotton. So Toffee, I advise you if you want to use the whole set, this is so good. So as you can see, oh no, those are the dirt of my skin. So I've used sunscreen today and I use a little blush. So because I use the deep cleanser now, the dirt of my skin is being shown from the yes, from the cotton. Okay. And the next one, I will be showing you our foam cleanser. Okay. So with the deep cleanser, you don't need to use water. But with the foam cleanser, you will have to use water. So what you have to do, so here is my foam cleanser. I just have to put a small amount onto my hand. Okay. I will mix it with water. I have a water in front of my computer. I hope my computer will not be wet, but I can already see some spots. So all you need to do is to, is to mix it with a bit of water. So toffee. So this is our foam cleanser. And as you can see, I created a lot of foam with such a small amount of foam cleanser. So now when you have created your foam, it smells so good by the way, but you don't have it. Maybe you don't have a foam cleanser with you right now, but I have it. So it smells so good. If you have it with you guys, try it as well, okay? And now I'm gonna apply it onto my skin, and we will wash our skin, or spread this foam cleanser onto our, oh no, my hair, onto our skin. Yeah, so Toffee, this is now, I'm using now the foam cleanser. So after the deep cleanser, you normally use the foam cleanser because the foam cleanser is gonna remove the oil and the excess sebum from your skin. And then after that, so of course, if you're already satisfied with how much you massage your skin with the foam cleanser, we will have to wash our face with water. I'm gonna wash my face right now. This is so extra. I love this, but I don't like my I don't like my yes. I don't like my my computer to be wet, so I have here a towel, and I'm just going to, make the towel wet and wipe my face. So mm, if you are at home, you don't actually need to if you are at home, you don't actually need to use a towel or wet a towel, just simply do it directly with water, okay? So, but for me now, because my computer is in danger, I will use a towel. Okay, so after washing your skin from the foam cleanser, or after removing the foam cleanser from your skin, oh no, my laptop is wet. After removing the foam cleanser from your skin, with the use of the water, all you need to do is to dry your skin completely, okay? Be sure that your skin is dry before you apply our peeling gel, okay? Okay, so now my skin is so dry, and you will notice, okay? You will notice that my skin is brightened and smoother. So I really like the effect of this foam cleanser. If you can compare, because here I didn't wash my neck, I didn't wash my neck. So if you can compare, there is an immediate brightening effect after using the foam cleanser. So now that my skin is completely dry, I'm gonna be using the peeling gel. Yes, Toffee. There are lots of foam. It's really giving a soft feeling. So if you remember how much amount of foam cleanser I put onto my palm, it's not a lot, but it actually creates a lot of foam already if you mix it thoroughly with water. And now I'm gonna use the peeling gel. So the peeling gel, you have to put an ample amount onto your hands, and all you have to do is to spread it evenly onto your skin. Okay, spread it evenly onto your skin like this and like this. So if you are home and you're really very, like, you're comfortable, you're having your skincare routine, I really advise you to use the peeling gel also on your neck and also on the back of the neck, okay? Sometimes I also use it on my knee. It's just a secret, okay? Sometimes I use it on my underarm, but secret, okay? Don't say it to everyone. It's our secret. Okay, so now, um, as you can see, I have applied it onto my skin evenly. I will wait for like a minute or two, so not to put it so dry, not to put it so wet, just in the middle. So it's about like 1 to 2 minutes, and then later we will massage it. No, you cannot massage it because you're not here. So I will massage it by myself, and you know get all the dead skins out of my skin. So just have to wait a bit. Yeah. So Toffee, if you are interested, I can give you like a free facial of this evening care. So you could try everything if you have time. So I invite you at our education center and we could do this together. So it's like a girls' day. Okay, so how's everyone doing on Facebook? Are you still there? Everyone on Facebook, are you still there? Yes. We have actually 3 million viewers on Facebook. Thank you to our 3 million viewers on Facebook. Wow, thank you guys. Thank you everyone. Okay, so right now, I'll still wait like let's say 45 seconds. So help me count 45 seconds. It's actually so cold now that I'm doing this because of the peeling gel. Okay. Yup, yup. All right. Okay, so now as you can see, I am massaging my skin and I could feel the tiny dead skin cells all over my skin. Okay? So oh my, oh my, oh my gosh. There's so many dead skin. When did I last use the peeling gel? Oh my gosh. Ah, Loredana, don't laugh at me. There's so many dead skin here. Okay, so it almost fell to the water. Oh no. So as you can see here, this is the dead skin cell that I have. So you see, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's falling. It's falling here. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see here, yes, you see on my cheek, there are some dead skin. And once you are already satisfied, okay, with removing your dead skin, you can now wash your face. Like so, for now, I'm not gonna, put water onto my skin like this again, but yes, I will use my towel so that my laptop will not be in danger or else we cannot go live anymore. Okay, so let me just wipe my face with my towel. Okay, and I will do another one. Thank you. Thank you, Toffee. And we will make sure that we will have, yes, a schedule for you so that you could try the full set of the evening care actually. Okay. Yeah. So I'm almost done with this. The peeling gel is already removed. So lastly, we will be using the peel of mask. But before we use the peel of mask, we have to make sure that our skin is dry. But now I just want to show you. So after the peeling gel, you see that my skin is again so brightened and so smooth, and the smell is really very good. So you have to smell it for yourself because I cannot just put the smell out of Facebook just like that. So you have to see me, you have to visit our education center and try this amazing peeling gel. So you see, I'm so happy with how smooth my skin is. My gosh, if you can just like, lend your finger out from your screen, I can let you touch my skin like this. Look, it's so smooth. Who wants to have a smooth skin? I want to have a smooth skin. Yeah, look, smooth. Now we have gone to our peel of mask. So we just have to apply the peel of mask evenly onto our skin. If you have, of course, a peel of brush, that is amazing. You can use it. But if you don't have, just use your fingers, of course. Okay. I will just use it evenly. For some people, they use it until the neck. But for me, I'm not gonna do that today because first of all, I didn't wash my neck. But sometimes I do it also. Okay. And on the forehead. So actually, for me personally, without a brush is much better because I can really spread it evenly. But sometimes I also use a brush, of course. When I feel like it's a chic evening, so I use a brush. The Chic Atomy Absolute brush, we have it also available from Atomy Korea. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, so you see, we have spread it almost. Okay. Oh, we're almost there. Hello, Ate Ethel from Belgium. Bonsoir. Welcome, welcome. Thank you very much for joining our live. Did you already do your peel of mask? Did you already cleanse your skin? Okay. All right. So now, okay, so now as you can see, I have applied the peel of mask evenly onto my skin. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna wait for like 20 minutes, but I will not keep you waiting. I will just post it later onto my story on how I will remove the peel of mask after when it's dry. So while it will be drying, I will be able to feel the absorption of the product onto my skin, as well as how do you say, the tightness. I will feel some tightness onto my skin, which means that my skin is absorbing all these amazing ingredients, and plus minimizing my pores, and also the lifting effect. So again, I will not let you guys keep waiting, but if you wanted to try this amazing 4-step set, it's called the Evening Care 4 set. It's 37 euros. You have the link on this live to make your own account. Or if you need help in creating your own account, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much. It has been a pleasure for me to give you information about our Atomy Evening Care 4 set.